Now we all know that people have been migrating and moving to the south, but apparently the state of Georgia, it's not all peaches. And apparently many of you have been taking the midnight train out of Georgia. Now something's just not right. Something else is going on right here. So today I'm on location in Georgia, so I'm diving even deeper to give you a full tour so that you can avoid the pitfalls that are costly. So give me a thumbs up if you're good with that. Now here it is right here on the map. Georgia is the 24th largest state in the nation. It also ranks number 8 in population. But Georgia also has beaches, mountains, warm weather, great food. Prices of houses seems to be somewhat less than the national average. As much as I love Ray Charles and the way he sings that song, apparently Georgia is not on everyone's mind since this state is actually losing population. Now with all the southern states that are growing, why is it that people are actually leaving Georgia? Now many of you have written me and you told me that living in Georgia, it's hard. And some of you have said that you're absolutely fed up. So here are the 10 reasons some people are saying goodbye to Georgia. Number 10, in Georgia there are gun laws and these are controversial. So whether you're anti-gun or pro-gun, don't shoot the messenger. Hey look, I just want you to know about this because effective January 1st, 2023, Georgia law now states that you don't need a permit to carry a handgun openly or concealed in most public spaces. Yep, but there's additional rules like you must be a Georgia resident, a U.S. citizen, you must have no drug or felony convictions. So if you're new to Georgia, you may see a gun that's strapped on in public, just letting you know. So there's also stand your ground laws. Number 9, Georgia traffic. Ugh! Now a lot of you have complained about the Atlanta metro area, which is currently ranked 10th worst traffic of any U.S. city. So when you leave your home, if you live in the suburbs, you may find yourself sitting in traffic for hours just trying to get to the city. And the average resident burns 53 hours of their life just sitting in congestion. Number 8, bugs. Now most of the South, it has insects and bugs. You know why? Because this is due to the year-round warm and wet weather. So creepy crawlies can get inside your home. So you want to make sure that you're really good friends with your exterminator. I mean everything from rampant mosquitoes and gnats to frogs, termites, stink bugs, ticks, and palmetto bugs. So if you're freaked out about bugs, Georgia may not be right for you. Number 7, the weather. Now, there's 2 seasons in Georgia. There's summer, which lasts about 11 months long, and then there's January. Now, of course, you know, summer really isn't 11 months long in Georgia, but it is just like Florida. It is hot and humid a large percentage of the year. So, if you live in Georgia, you're going to want to hibernate inside your house during those hot months. I mean, in Georgia, you better love your home because you may need to stay inside your house from spring through fall because it's so dang hot. Now look, many of you have told me that if you need to do anything outside, you need to do it before 9 a.m. in Georgia, otherwise you'll fry. Number 6, health. Not good news here, guys. Surprised to learn that Georgia is actually ranked 9th worst state for overall health care in the nation. What? And the state was also ranked 49th in accessibility to health care. Now Georgia statistics show that 64.8% of the population is overweight and 29.6% of the adults are considered to be in the obese category. Now, it's also ranked number 8 for strokes in the nation. But maybe this is because of all the good Southern cooking? What do you think? Put it in the comments. Number 5, politics. Yeah, I'm not getting into that because you might see damaging thunderstorms, you know, large hail, winds, tornadoes, and all that kind of stuff in Georgia. Number 4, jobs and wages. Now, not everyone's making big money in Georgia. The jobs are plentiful, but don't automatically expect to be making those big bucks because the mega bucks is more like the Georgia lottery. Now in Georgia, the average person makes $34,500 a year, yet the median home price in Georgia is $367,000. You know what that is? Money. Now number 3, Georgia is an absolutely beautiful state. Now some of you have told me you feel like Georgia has higher tax rates, but no matter what, the cost of living is not necessarily cheap in Georgia. Now the rent and the home prices in cities like Savannah and Atlanta and the bigger metro areas in Georgia can be higher than the national average. Number 2, pollen allergies. Now look, if you have allergies, you'll get this one. The pollen is so thick in many places, it floats on the ponds. Georgia is ranked as one of the worst states for pollen allergies, and this is due to the high pollen counts and the extended long season. So if you struggle with allergies, Georgia, it could be a living hell for you. Number one, what's one of the best things about living in Georgia? It's that great southern charm. But snakes and alligators, they also have a southern charm. So you may want to avoid those areas where these animals are known to live. Now look, even the local ponds can be home to large gators, and that makes it hard to walk your dog. So comment below, let me know if you're taking the midnight train to Georgia, or if Georgia is on your mind. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me what you liked or what you didn't like about this video. You know, what did I miss? What do you think should have been in here? What state should I be visiting next is the big question, and why should I be visiting there? So no matter where you live in the nation, if you're fleeing your home state in search of a better place to live, whether you're moving to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, or anywhere in the nation, my real estate team has a network of experts in every single state that I can hook you up with. So pick up the phone, give us a call. I'm glad you're enjoying these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.